All right, number 3, we want to use the intercepts to graph the equation. Okay, so if you saw in the overview the definition of intercepts, if we want to find the x-intercept, we plug a 0 for y, and then if we want to find the y-intercept, we plug a 0 for x. Okay, the opposite one is 0. So we're going to do that, find those intercepts, and then graph. So from our equation, I'm going to let y equal 0. So we have x plus 4y equals 8. We're going to plug a 0 in for y, so we have 4, sorry, not 4. We have x plus 4 times 0 equals 8. And then when you multiply anything by 0, it just cancels out, goes to 0. So we have x equals 8. So the ordered pair would be 8, 0. X is 8, y is 0. And then over here, when we find the y-intercept, we have x plus 4y equals 8. This time we're going to plug a 0 for x. So I'll plug in a 0 plus 4y equals 8. All right, when we add 0, we just end up with 4y equals 8. And then this is 4 times y, so to get rid of it, we have to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that leaves us with y equals 8 divided by 4, which is 2. And then as an ordered pair, this time x was 0, and the y value came out to be 2. So now that we have 2 points, we can graph this equation. So if I click this graph, you need to know what type of graph you're going to be graphing. So these are linear equations. So we're going to click Align, and then you see this, as you move your cursor around this graph, it's moving the ordered pairs, and you can see the ordered pair coordinates in the corner. So we want to go to 8, 0. So I'm going to go right 8, stay on the line, plot it, and then I'm going to go to 0, 2. So then it makes the line, you click Save, and then Submit.